Weather Service in Upton has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Winds, west 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. Timing, strongest winds this morning. Impacts, strong winds can blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Here is the latest weather map discussion. Noticeably cooler conditions are expected today with temperatures 15 to 25 degrees cooler than yesterday. Highs will mainly be in the lower 40s. Strong winds are expected this morning with gusts near 50 to 60 miles per hour. Winds will gradually decrease through the afternoon and evening. A few snow showers will be possible Friday. Temperatures will remain below climatological normals through Friday night. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. High wind warning in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Today, sunny, windy, cooler with highs around 50. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour, decreasing to 45 miles per hour this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening. Friday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of snow showers. Highs around 40. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Cold with highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Saturday night, clear, cold with lows around 15. The Central Park, New York climate summary for yesterday, March 1st, 2017. Yesterday's high temperature was 70 degrees. This high was 25 degrees above the normal high of 45. The record high is 73 degrees, which was set in 1972. Yesterday's low temperature was 54. This low was 23 degrees above the normal low of 31. The record low is 5 degrees, which was set in 1884. The mean temperature was 62 degrees and was 24 degrees above the normal of 38. 0.12 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.12 inches. This is 0.01 inches below the normal amount of 0.13 inches for March. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 7.43 inches, which is 0.56 inches above normal. No snow fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.0 inches. The total snowfall for the season still stands at 20.5 inches. There were 3 heating degree days yesterday, which is 24 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 3, which is 24 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 2,986, which is 563 below normal. The normal high temperature for today is 45 degrees, and the normal low is 32. The record high for today is 72, which occurred in 1972, and the record low is 9, which occurred in 1891. Sunrise today is at 6:28 a.m. and sunset is at 5:48 p.m. Here is the extended forecast. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the lower 30s. Monday, partly sunny. Not as cool with highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Highs around 60. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-40s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. For the following areas, in New Jersey, Sussex, Warren, and Morris. Wind advisory remains in effect until 1 p.m. Thursday. high wind warning in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Winds, west 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. Timing, strongest winds this morning. Impacts, strong winds can blow down limbs, trees, and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Here is the latest weather map discussion. Noticeably cooler conditions are expected today with temperatures 15 to 25 degrees cooler than yesterday. Highs will mainly be in the lower 40s. Strong winds are expected this morning with gusts near 50 to 60 miles per hour. Winds will gradually decrease through the afternoon and evening. A few snow showers will be possible Friday. Temperatures will remain below climatological normals through Friday night. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. High wind warning in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Today, sunny, windy, cooler with highs around 50. In New Jersey, Upton, Somerset, Middlesex, and Monmouth. High wind warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. this morning. Locations, southeastern Pennsylvania, much of New Jersey and far northern Delaware. Winds, west wind 30 to 35 miles per hour at times with widespread gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. Lancaster, Pennsylvania reported a wind gust to 64 miles per hour at 4:31 a.m. There has been a recent increase in scattered power outages across our area. Timing, winds begin to slowly diminish around 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Impacts, gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and impact high-profile vehicles traveling open high terrain and over bridges. Some tree limbs or wires are expected to break and cause power outages.